Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
This
morning, ma'am.
good morning, beta. Everyone, good morning. Now, 48th lesson, that is classical singers. Everybody has completed this lesson in your note, in your book. Book, we can say
Yes,
book.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, give me the answer of he was an Indian Carnatic vocalist, musician, multi instrumentalist.
Dr. Balamurali Krishna. Dr. Balamurali Krishna.
Yes, Dr. Balamurali Krishna.
Krishna.
Then he is an Indian classical musician and renowned santoor player. And santoor is an Indian folk instrument. He was awarded Padma Vibhushan by Indian government in recognition of his excellence.
Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma. Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma.
Yes, Pandit Shiv Kumar
Pandit Shivkumar.
Sharma. Good. Now this in fourth you have made correction here. It will be 2000 instead of 2001 it will be 1990.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next is now some divergent sports also you have completed everybody.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
First will be roller coaster.
Second trampoline.
Second trampoline. Third.
Third scuba diving. Fourth skateboard. Fifth rope climbing.
Yes.
Sixth dodgeball. Seven dodgeball.
Yes. Sixth dodgeball.
Snowmobile.
Seventh
Snowmobile.
snowmobile. Seventh will be snowmobile. Sixth will be dodgeball. And fifth will be rope climbing. This is scuba diving gear. That is will be third number. And a sheep, rooster, and a duck were the big passengers in 1783 in the hot air balloon. This also you have noted. This did you know?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
also asked in the exam. Okay. Sheep you know already. Rooster means a big cock. बड़ा सा मुर्गा होता है ना, उसे rooster कहते हैं. And a duck was the first passengers in 1783 in the hot air balloon. Then rhythm and beat. This also you have completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Zakir Hussain.
Tabla.
Yes, tabla. Then Hari Prasad Chaurasia.
Santoor.
No, 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 no.
Flute.
Flute. ये this is flute. ये
Flute.
बांसुरी को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? Flute.
Flute.
ठीक है. अच्छा. Then this is Rukmani Devi Arundhale.
Bharatnatyam.
Bharatnatyam. Yes, good. Bharatnatyam. Yes, yes. And Shiv Kumar Sharma.
Santoor.
Here, here santoor will come. This is the santoor instrument. Then in rapid fire round, Nati folk dance belongs to which state?
Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal Pradesh. Legium dance belongs to?
Maharashtra.
Yes, Maharashtra. Then first is South Indian poet called?
Kalidas.
Yes, Kalidas. And first Indian film with sound?
Alamara.
Alamara. And lastly, who is regarded as
Dada Sai Phalke.
Dada Saheb Phalke. Now these are the Oscar awards. I hope you have completed. In the previous class only we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And who was asking about which chapter? 47. Which chapter you were asking?
57.
Huh?
57.
57. Okay, okay, okay. We'll come now. The Oscar awards were given by Academy of Motion Pictures,
And
Arts and
51 chapter
Science.
is not coming.
50?
1.
51 is not coming. Other sports festivals. You check the syllabus and let me know. Check, check the syllabus.
Not coming.
है ना?
51 is not coming.
Yes,
Then
ma'am. Not
50.
coming.
Good. Then 52 is coming. 52 we have already discussed here. Now,
Yes.
class. The
Yes,
Oscar
ma'am.
awards were given by Academy of Motion Pictures, Arts and Sciences. Be careful in writing the spelling correctly. ACADEMY. Academy of Motion. 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 Picture. 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 Arts, 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 and Sciences, SCIENCES, Sciences. In short, it is written as A Academy, A of Motion, M, Picture, P, Arts, A, Sciences, AS. So AMPAS will be the short form of this. Then the first Indian film is shortlisted.
Mother India.
Very good. Mother India. Here spelling mistake is there. Mother spelling, make a correction here in your book.
Yes,
Write
ma'am.
the correct spelling. Mother, MOTHER, mother. Okay. Then green Oscar is given in the field of outstanding
Outstanding contribution to wildlife
contribution.
conservation.
Wildlife conservation.
Yes. Outstanding contribution to wildlife conservation. Spelling outstanding, you know, out, OUT, out. Stand, STAND, stand. Ing, ING, ing. Outstanding contribution, CON, con. Tree, TRIBUTION. Contribution to wildlife. Wild, 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 LIFE, life. Conservation, CON, con. SER, sir, VAV, shuns. TIONS, conservations. Now, next, Oscar awards are given in in more than dash
Dozen.
a
A
dozen.
dozen.
And how much number makes a dozen?
12.
12.
12. Yes, good. So you have to
12.
write down here a dozen, DOZEN, dozen. The Oscar awards are also known as Academy
Academy Award of
Academy
Merit.
Award of Merit.
Academy Awards of Merit, MERIT, merit.
Merit.
Then another Indian film which reached the final round of Oscars was
Lagan.
Lagan.
Lagan, LAGAAN, Lagan, and acted by Amir Khan. This Lagan movie, who was the actor? Amir Khan, and
Amir
directed
Khan.
by
Ashutosh
Ashutosh.
Gowariker.
Shutosh.
Ashutosh Gwarikar. Spelling, please check your spelling if you have written in the book. ASHUTOSH. Ashutosh Gwarikar. GOWARIKER. GOWARIKER. Gwarikar. Then Indian film director Dash was awarded an Oscar for lifetime achievement in
Satyajit
1992.
Ray.
Satyajit Ray.
Satyajit Ray.
Satyajit Ray.
SATYAJIT. JIT. Satyajit Ray, RAY. Then three films. Dash, Dash, and Dash are the
Benu.
three films which have made
Titanic.
Benu. Titanic. The Lord of Rings.
The Lord of Rings. And I've given the years also in which they came.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Banu came in.
Benu. 1959.
Yes, good. 1959. 1959. And Titanic came in.
1997.
Yes, 1997. 1997. And the Lord of Rings,
2003.
2003. Good.
2003.
Good. That means you have noted the year also. Good. Then
Yes, ma'am.
Dash was the first Indian who won an Oscar award for costume designing in film Gandhi.
Bhanu Athaiya.
Bhanu
Banu
Athaiya.
Athaiya.
Yes, Bhanu Athaiya. Bhanu. Bhanu. Athaiya. Athaiya. Then this also I had given in the history of Oscar awards. Dash and Dash won the awards in all those categories in which they were nominated.
Yes,
Glenn
ma'am.
West and Jimmy Kimmel.
Sandwich,
Glenn West,
Jimmy
Jimmy Kimmel.
Kimmel.
Uh, uh, Glenn Weiss and Jimmy Kimmel.
Jimmy Kimmel.
So you have written the spellings which I had given you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can anybody speak out the spellings?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Glenn
L.
yes.
Enn
Hmm.
W I Weiss.
Good. I am repeating it again. Glenn. Glenn West. Weiss. I hope you have written correct spelling.
Yes, ma'am.
Glenn West.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, and the second spelling, who will give me?
J I
I
double M Y
Y
Yes.
K
K
I
I
double M E L.
Good,
E
good.
L.
Jimmy Camel. I am repeating the spelling again. Jimmy. Jimmy Camel. Kimmel. Jimmy Kimmel. Okay. Yeah, both of them are here. Now, these Academy Awards are popularly known as Oscar Awards. Okay. Then, blood relations 57.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Done. Na? And you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
checked
Yes,
out?
ma'am.
Checked also? Checked
Yes,
means in the
ma'am.
sense you have done yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Once I have given the answer from my side, but you have also done by your side also and seen that is it correct or you understood or not what type of blood relationship, how they are formed. That Sita is the sister of Lalit, Mohan is the brother of Shyam, Shyam is son of Sita, how Sita is related to Sita is related to Mohan means Sita is mother of Mohan.
Mother.
P is mother of Q. Q is not the son of P. Then how Q is related to P?
Daughter.
Daughter.
Daughter. If not son,
Daughter.
then definitely daughter. Then study the following blood relation information carefully and answer the given question. M is grandmother of A, who is son of B. L is father of C, who is father of D. N is paternal uncle. Paternal means related to father's family. पापा के जो रिलेशंस में हैं वो आपके पैटर्नल लगते हैं और जो मम्मी के रिलेशंस में है वो कौन लगते हैं
Maternal.
वेरी गुड मैटर्नल तो एन इज पैटर्नल अंकल ऑफ ए हु इज ब्रदर ऑफ डी then how many married couples are there the question is how many
Two.
married couples are there I had given here
Two.
Two.
two yes two married couples are there then next is Mahesh is the son of Nancy. Rajiv is brother of Nancy. Neha is daughter of Neelam. Neha is also the sister of Rajiv. So Neha, Rajiv and Nancy are brothers and sisters. So how Mahesh is related to Neelam?
Grandfather.
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 Okay? Grandfather. X is mother of Y. Z is son of X. W is brother of V. V is daughter of Y. So V is daughter of Y.
X.
Who is grandmother of
X.
V?
X.
X.
X. X is grandmother of V. As this means daughter of Y is V. So X is mother of Y. X is mother of Y. So definitely V will be who is the grandmother of V? X will be grandmother of V. Now A is father of X, B is mother of Y. The sister of X and Z is Y. Which of the following is not true?
Y is the son of A.
Yes, Y is the son
Y is
of
the son of
A.
A.
Yes, because the sister of X and Z is Y. So Y is sister here. And here it is written Y is the son of A. So it is wrong. Done now? 57th.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
After 57th, which lesson is coming?
58.
58.
58.
Reducing pattern.
Reducing pattern. Now you have to take the correct answer figures, which comes next. Next, whichever comes, you have to put a tick mark over there. So I had asked you to do it yourself also in a previous
Yes, ma'am.
class. Yes. Have you tried to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody has
Yes,
tried?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the three dots. Then four dots are there. Then five dots are there. Then again five dots are there. So what will be the next pattern?
C.
6.
6.
Six will be there. Next pattern after this pattern. Now 3, 4, 5 is already there. After there again now decreasing in the decreasing form it is there. 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again.
4.
5 after 5.
4.
4. Okay. Because now from again here it is starting now. 5, 4, then 3, then 2. Like this. So here D will be correct. If any other changes will be there, I will let you know. But just now, uh, as I understood this pattern, it is like this that 3, 4, 5. Otherwise, here if increasing pattern will be there, here 6 will be there, ना? तो इसके बाद जो पैटर्न आएगा वो लिखना है हमें. Now here
D.
arrows, D will be there. Yes, here arrows are there for all. Arrows are there. Now
Yes, ma'am.
here one arrow is missing here. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then here
Yes, ma'am.
another arrow is missing in this. Then in this
Yes,
figure,
ma'am.
here arrow is missing. The next figure, which arrow will be missing? This one.
D. Fourth arrow.
Anna? Yeah, fourth one. So in this, which and only these two will be remaining. So these two are remaining and this arrow is missing. So this part is coming after this. So D will be the correct one. So this is the continuation of the pattern. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is
C.
C.
4 dots and inside also dots are there. Now here 4 bigger circles are there but one inside here is missing.
Missing.
Now here the outer circle is also missing. Clear? First 4 dots means 4 circles with the dots are there. Then 3 circles with 1 dot missing. Then 3 circles with dot and circle both
Dots.
missing. Here also 3 dots. First circle is missing. Now
C.
C. Circle
C.
will means dot
Full
is missing
circle
here.
will.
Now circle will be also missing in the coming pattern. So here this is the pattern where circle is missing. Okay. C will be correct.
Ma'am, C is C.
Yes, C is the correct one. Understood? Those who have any doubt,
हो गए?
if you are not able to understand, please ask me, okay? Here only. Clarify your doubts. If you are having any doubt here. Clear? Now here coming to the next pattern.
C.
C.
Which will be the correct
C.
one?
C.
Huh?
C.
C part.
C part.
C.
Yes, C.
With two
How?
dots.
First, in a ring, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads are there. Then one is missing here.
Five.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads are there. This one is missing. Then in next pattern, this one is
Four.
missing and 4 beads are there. In another pattern, this one is
Three.
missing and 3 beads are there. In the next pattern now, after 3,
Two
2 will
beats.
be
Two.
only
Two
remaining,
beads.
and that 2 will be, this one will be missing. Only these 2 will be remaining. And where is this? Is the C.
C.
Okay.
Fifth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Fifth
here
D. D.
D.
D.
D.
in this
D.
D will be correct. Yes, D will be correct. How?
Why?
3. I'm clarifying your doubt. 3 lines are there and
Ma'am.
3 arrows are there. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
In the next pattern,
Ma'am,
3 lines are there,
मैम
but
फोर्थ का क्या होगा?
fourth ka C.
C.
2 beads will be remaining. एक एक करके यहाँ से सारी बीड्स मिस हो रही हैं, सिर्फ ये 2 बीड्स बचेंगी
Yes.
नेक्स्ट में.
Yes.
अब इसमें लाइंस में 3 lines are there and 3 in on the all the 3 lines arrows are there. Now in the second pattern, 1 arrow is missing here. In the third pattern, both the arrows of the first line is missing here. Now in the next pattern, in the second line, first arrow is missing. Now coming pattern will be in the second line,
Both
D.
arrows.
arrow will be
Arrows will be
missing.
missing.
है ना? And
D.
last line full will be same as it is. So last line
D.
same as
Part.
it is. In this also it is same. In this also it is same. But according to the second line, in the middle line, this arrow is missing. Now this arrow will be missing. Means both the lines will be clear now here.
D.
So D will be the correct pattern. The next pattern.
A.
A.
Sixth.
A.
Yes,
One
next
A
is
and
A, ma'am.
seventh also A.
A and seventh also.
A.
Yes, good.
A.
A.
So here A, how come
Ma'am.
A? Can anybody tell me?
Because, ma'am,
हाँ एक
Because
जना
Ma'am,
बताओ.
because there are
First patterns are
हाँ,
Five
first
dots.
pattern में क्या है?
second, third, fourth, then last is one.
second 5 dots. Then second pattern has 4 dots.
Four
Then
dots.
third dots.
Third, three
Three
dots.
dots.
Yes,
Then one dot.
And
last one. Still one dot.
Last
yes,
one
yes,
dot.
yes, good. Last one dot will be only remaining there, and that too in the corner one, है ना?
So A is answer.
इसमें भी
A.
A आंसर है.
A.
कैसे? कौन
Ma'am,
बताएगा?
how?
A.
Ma'am.
Mm,
And one line is missing.
Yes, one line
One,
is
one.
missing. Now in this
First
line
part,
is missing.
second part,
First line.
third
है ना?
part,
ये वाली लाइन मिस हो रही है.
fourth part.
इसमें
नीचे
ये
वाली लाइन.
छोटी वाली लाइन मिस हो रही है.
नीचे वाली
Yes,
line.
ma'am.
इसमें ये फिर बड़ी वाली
बड़ी
लाइन मिस
वाली.
हो रही है. अब नेक्स्ट पैटर्न आएगा
यहाँ
उसमें
पे छोटी वाली लाइन.
छोटी
छोटी
वाली
वाली
लाइन
छोटी
लाइन.
वाली.
और
छोटी
ये
वाली है.
सीधा स्ट्रेट लाइन आएगी
A
ऐसे
part.
यू टर्न, फिर
A part.
हाँ वो दोनों में यू टर्न आएगा. तो कौन सा वाला आएगा? ए. इधर पहले यू टर्न आएगा, फिर ऑपोजिट यू टर्न आएगा. सो करेक्ट ए. आई एम रिपीटिंग इट अगेन. फर्स्ट पैटर्न डी विल बी करेक्ट. सेकेंड पैटर्न again D will be correct.
D.
And the
Third
fourth,
C.
sorry, third C. Then
C.
fourth also C.
C.
Third and fourth C, C. And fifth
D.
D.
D. And sixth,
A.
A.
seventh also A.
A.
So till here understood everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Now next which lesson is coming?
65.
59.
59 and 65. 59 and 65 is coming. So that lesson 59 and 65 we are going to continue in our next class. Clear? Till then
Okay, ma'am.
you try to solve 59. Brain test is there. Let me show you. Your 59 brain test is there. Try to solve it yourself. And then 65 is just I'm going to tell you about the restaurant etiquettes and all. What type of discipline to be followed in the restaurant and all. So try to first you try to solve it this brain test. Then we are going to discuss in the next class. Till then, go through the lessons which we have done. If you have not understood anything, you can ask me. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.